Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrian here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to get free affiliate marketing course online with Traffic Domination or the Traffic Domination Facebook group. So let's get on with today's video. So you can see here, this is my YouTube channel, and I've got a playlist for Traffic Domination. As you can see here, Traffic Domination /OLSP. That is the One Lead System Pixel group. Come back to home. Let me just click on videos and then come over to Facebook. This is a group where you'll get your affiliate marketing training, guys. Inside this group, it's called Traffic Domination or hashtag Traffic Dominators. Free list building, 30-day email journey hacks. Excuse me. And this group is by Wayne Crowe. And what I mean by you'll get affiliate marketing training free in here. If I just scroll over, you see you've got about the group, what the group's about, and then you've got discussion and you've got guides. This is the section you want, guides. And then you just scroll down and you'll see guide 1 is welcome how to use the group and the training. So watch, it's all video related, guys. So it's videos, training, the OLSP system for Traffic Dominators only, so you can skip that. And there's more training as you come down. Guide 3, you've got growth hacks, your list building superpower, why you should be building your list, the long way to build your list, where people get stuck building their list, growth hacks, list building superpower, setting and goals for growth hacks. So that's guide 3. Our own traffic products, guide 4. Then you've got some Warrior Plus training. This is all free, guys. All free, all these videos, all free training for you guys that are looking for affiliate marketing coaching. Lesson 1, use this product to boost your Warrior Plus sales, training how to sell products on Warrior Plus. Lesson 1+3, what is Warrior Plus and how does it work? What are EPCs? Why vendors need high EPCs and how to increase EPCs. That's guide 4. So you've got traffic hacks here, OLSP and comment domination. Comment domination is guide in section group 6. Guide 7 here, you've got advanced list building training. Lesson 1 is introduction to advanced list building. Lesson 2, always build your list. Lesson 3 is always be optimizing your list. And lesson 4 is UTM tag tracking with ClickFunnels. So any of you guys that are using ClickFunnels might need some training on that. This is free in here. And using Olica and rotators. That is in guide 7 in this group. All these are all video, guys, and it'll take you some time to get through these videos. All these videos are worth watching. Guide 8 is you've got One Lead System. Let me just close that off, guys. One Lead System Pixel Masterclass. You've got day 1 getting set up, day 2. Day 1 share video for sharing on your timeline, and day 3 some huge tips. And the last training in this group is attraction marketing. Episode 10, how to promote OLSP on Facebook like a pro. Decade-old email tips used to crush it on Facebook. If everyone is selling, who is buying? Episode 8. Episode 7 is attraction marketing still worth it? And episode 6, what you really need to do to get massive Facebook engagement. So that was the video for today, guys. I hope you got some value from that video. And if you wanted to know who runs this group, this is by Wayne Crowe. If I just come over to his profile here, this is Wayne's main profile. And Wayne Crowe is a successful email marketing and traffic coach, as well as a solo ad provider for the top marketers. And if you scroll down Wayne's feed, you can see what he's posting about. You can see the gentleman here himself. This is Wayne Crowe. He's from the UK, lives in Norfolk. Great bloke, knows what he's on about. And this is a great group, guys, Traffic Domination. So like I said, I shall leave a link in the description to this for you guys to have a look at. And if you come into the group, I will be your sponsor into this group. Let me know. Just reach out to me. You'll have my email address. Reach out to me with any questions you might have regarding this group, and I'm there to help you every step of the way to make money online with the OLSP system. Or if you just wanted the training, that's fine. You don't have to reach out to me, but if you do, I'm there if you need me. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Bye for now.